ASAP hybrid helicopter concept. Next is a concept that combines features from helicopters and airplanes. It was made in 9 months by digital design students, and in a short video they show some of the most interesting solutions. For example, if necessary, an additional platform with wings and a fuel supply is attached to the helicopter, so the maximum speed increases from 217 to 373 miles per hour. The concept is curious given the trend. For AirCaps, the author notes that their idea is not only cheaper than a car, but it also makes less noise. Maybe this student project will someday lift passengers rushing for work into the air. Euronaval Blue Shark. The French shipyards presented, at the International Exhibition Euronaval 2022, the new Blue Shark ship design, which incorporates top technology and environmentally friendly features. The Blue Shark is designed to take on missions from frigate-class ships. The design consists of the main vessel and 2 structures catamaran type at the stern, so that the water resistance is reduced by half, increasing the ship's stability and reducing its acoustic footprint. The length of the ship is 160 meters, its width 37 meters, while its displacement is about 5,500 tons. For its construction, synthetic materials have been adopted, which reduce the ship's footprint. Special emphasis has been placed on the internal and external ergonomics of the ship. In addition, the ship can accommodate unmanned air, sea, and underwater systems. Alfa Romeo Montreal Vision GT. Concept designer and digital artist Luca Serafini presents his futuristic supercar vision, the Alfa Romeo Montreal Vision GT. The concept car is in homage to the 1970s 2+2 coupe sports car produced by the Italian manufacturer. With its streamlined design, Luca Serafini's Alfa Romeo Montreal Vision GT concept updates the car's most striking feature, the 4 headlamps on the car's front end. In the original version, the headlights are partly covered by unusual grills that retract when the lights are on. In the concept, the designer has decided to give them an update by dividing the grille and giving each set headlights plus grille their own little niche. Of course, Alfa Romeo's traditional triangular grille is still there. Christoph Clean City concept. The Christoph Clean City solution is a master plan for an integrated waste management concept for cities and areas that want to improve their sustainability, reduce their CO2 output, and make waste disposal a thing of the past. The ambitious plan brings together new products and new energy resources. Cutting-edge technology gives municipalities the ability to make a significant contribution to the environment and to the quality of life of their populations. This makes it possible to create a circular economy. Christoph Industries has developed the Clean City Plan in the course of the last decade. The major focus has been on finding ways to complement the technical and industrial experience of more than a century with state-of-the-art know-how and technologies. A global team of 50 professionals is pursuing the goal of realizing a circular economy by employing financially and environmentally feasible waste-to-value projects in order to reach a zero-waste solution. Lamborghini V12 Gran Turismo. Lamborghini has released a new one-seat concept car called the Lambo V12 Vision GT that utilizes the same hybrid powertrain found in the 163 Sion. Like most Lamborghini concepts, the Lambo V12 Vision GT looks like something from outer space. It utilizes a single seat position where the driver enters from the front of the car, and the frame is disconnected from the fenders. There are 6 exhaust pipes, one on each side, and the ultra-thin taillight forms a massive wide with the rear wing that reminds us of the Terzo Millennio. EV Concepts Lights. The concept utilizes the same V12 hybrid powertrain that powers the Lamborghini Sion, a 6.5-liter V12 paired with a single supercapacitor that produces around 774 horsepower. The Lambo V12 Vision GT concept was unveiled ahead of the 2019 FIA-certified Gran Turismo Championships. The Air Car. Lazzarini Design unveils the Air Car, a flying car powered by 4 Rolls-Royce jet engines that can rotate when necessary for maneuverability and takeoff or landing. Each one of these engines can independently adjust the inclination as well as rotation, ensuring stability at high speeds and agility when turning. However, the inclination rotation of the jet engines in a 4x4 configuration, the Air, means that it can operate at variable heights and inclines, depending on the cruising speed. Measuring 19.6 feet in length, it can comfortably accommodate a pilot and 3 passengers. It can achieve an estimated top speed of 466 miles per hour, 750 kilometers per hour, and has a range of 745 miles, 1,200 kilometers, running on jet fuel. Unfortunately, there's no indication that the Air Car has retractable wheels for operation on normal roads. Astrolab's Flex Rover. Lunar rover developer Astrolab has signed an agreement with SpaceX to transport its first rover to the Moon on a future Starship flight. Astrolab said it has arranged to fly the Flexible Logistics and Exploration Flex rover it is developing as a payload on a Starship lunar lander mission scheduled for as soon as mid-2026. Jared Matthews, founder and chief executive of Astrolab, said in an interview that the mission, which will include 1,000 kilograms of customer payloads, will be the first flight of the Flex rover. It will be a rideshare payload on a Starship mission landing somewhere in the South Polar region of the Moon. Because our rover can traverse up to a couple thousand kilometers in a given year, we're less sensitive to exactly where we land, he said. It is definitely optimized for the South Polar region because that's fundamentally where we think that the bulk of the activity is going to be. Mitsubishi Fuso. The i.RQ's most interesting feature is its companion drone, which can help locate victims in dense or difficult-to-reach areas. The drone is deployed in emergency scenarios to rapidly locate and pinpoint victims by scanning the terrain. Equipped with big rotors for vertical lift and electric duct fans for horizontal flight, the drone can carry as much as 10 liters of supplies and cargo to victims. It even comes with its own onboard AI assistant which interacts with victims through its anthropomorphized face display, providing a sense of comfort to them in moments of distress and letting them know that help's on the way. Transpod FluxJet. Toronto, Ontario, July 22, 2022. Transpod, the startup that is building the world's leading ultra-high-speed ground transportation system, the Transpod line, to disrupt and redefine passenger and cargo transportation, unveiled the FluxJet, an industry-defining innovation that transforms the way we live, work, and travel. Based on groundbreaking innovations in propulsion and fossil fuel-free clean energy systems, the FluxJet is a fully electric vehicle that is effectively a hybrid between an aircraft and a train. Featuring technological leaps in contactless power transmission and a new field of physics called Valence Flux, the FluxJet travels in a protected guideway at over 1,000 km/h faster than a jet and 3 times as fast as a high-speed train. The FluxJet will operate exclusively on the Transpod line, a network system with stations in key locations in major cities, featuring high-frequency departures designed to enable fast, affordable, and safe travel. Tornado-proof house concept. The latest prototype is a simple box with 2 bedrooms. The 900-square-foot home, which competes with the size of many New York City apartments, has concrete walls and a roof that is part concrete, part glass, so that light can shine in even when the house slides into the earth. 4 hydraulic lifts in each corner of the house make it go up and down. In good weather, the house sits level on the ground. When the wind speeds pick up, indicating a tornado is on the way. The home will retract 10 feet below the surface into an underground bunker that has 400 square of additional space for storage and a farm to produce food. StarMet Rescue Ship. This ship is designed for rapid aid and rescue. Multiple flight modes allow speed and precision even in the most difficult terrain and conditions to navigate, equipped with a scanner system capable of navigating in the darkest terrain. This boat is sure to be a favorite in the rescue and aid field. StarMet will provide an unprecedented virtual reality experience for the crypto community, bringing users together in an immersive and engaging environment. Ramato T8. It's called the Ramato T8 and it folds out just like your old swiveling USB flash drive. The 30-foot Ramato has 2 elements, a fixed chassis and a center section that serves as your living space. With the push of a button, the center section of the Ramato trailer swings out at 90 degrees, creating a little undercover seating area inside the chassis. The Ramato cabin itself is incredibly luxe. With 290 square feet of living space, it has a kitchenette, a dining area, a bathroom, and a master bedroom. You can fit either a double bed or 2 single beds in the master, and you can also add a lift-up bed in the dining room. The cabin has wraparound windows, flooding it with natural light and giving you a beautiful view of wherever you choose to call home that day. Everything inside the cabin, as well as its hydraulic rotation system, is powered by a 200Ah lithium battery. The battery is also supported by solar panels mounted to the roof of the camper.